Why in the world would you throw this away?
Because it's a mildly obsessed fan letter in response to a horror book that you wrote 7 years ago.
An invitation to the reopening of the camp that I made famous is not a fan letter.
You're here. You actually came.
I heard you guys have a camp to reopen and could use a famous face.
Your reopening probably needs to be canceled. Don't you agree?
I don't even know what we're tracking.
Whatever it is, it's big. Your camp is harboring a wild Bigfoot thing that's mauling people. It needs to be killed. You can't have people staying here.
You deserve to know the truth.
What truth? No way I'm going without it.
You don't have a choice. This is it, okay?
A very large, beast-like thing dragged me through the forest.
Just try to hold it together, okay?